What's going on, guys? And I've got a new product here for you today. I'm very excited. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. But anyway, I've got painters here, so if you hear the painters, I'm sorry. Anyway, let's get into the video. I've got limited space right now. Let's unbox it. Got your traditional manual, Mr. Manuel, included in the box. No thank you. Charger, cable, set that to the side. What we have here is the Ultra, or Ultra-1, Ultra, or whatever it's called. So here it is. Ultra-1. Pretty heavy, 25 pounds or so.